Hello again. My iPhone 14 Pro has just arrived, so I thought I'd do a little unboxing and show you how you can put the dual SIM into this phone. Now I got the purple 256GB version, so let's open this up and see if there's any surprises in here. Right, okay, so there's no cellophane or anything on this at all this year, just a paper box. Right, there's the phone. It's a nice color. It looks black and grey and purple and everything in between. What do you think to the color? Looks almost blue in places. Right, the cameras, I've noticed that's the biggest difference I've seen this year. The cameras are absolutely massive compared to the iPhone 11 Pro that's behind it. Now I know what you're going to say, it's because it's behind it, it makes it look like the cameras are much smaller. Well, there we go, I'll put it in front. Look at the size of the cameras, they're absolutely massive. If you have an older iPhone 11, iPhone 12, then these cameras will definitely impress. They're even bigger than the cameras on the Z Fold 4 this year, and I thought they had big cameras. Anyway, let's have a look quickly at what else you get in the box. You don't get much. SIM ejection tool. You don't get that in America anymore. Just jesting. Right, so you've got a little bit of paperwork, warranty information, and an Apple sticker. Just the one now. They're getting really mean. Right, let's put those back in there. I'll use the SIM ejection tool in a minute. Right, so here we've got a Type-C cable to Lightning. Now, if I'm wrong, just correct me in the comments, but I thought that the European Union made all phones have to be Type-C. Maybe I dreamt it, I don't know. Right, okay, so it's got a nice purple stainless steel all the way round, and then it's got the flat glass on the top, matte finish. Right, so let's get this SIM ejection tool out. And I'll just show you, because this one's got dual SIM cards. Okay, so not only does America have no SIM cards, this one actually has 2 SIM cards. So if I take the tray out, I'll show you what I mean. So if you can see there, it's got a little indentation, and then on this side, you've got another one. So 2 SIM cards. And I'll show you in a second. I'll take the SIM cards out of my Z Fold 4, and I will show you what it's like to put them both in. But let's just have a look at that color again. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. Very, very, very dark purple. And around the cameras, as I said, it almost looks black. And they've color coded everything. They've even color coded the little badges there for power and volume up and down. It's a really pretty device. Very, very nice, this color. And difficult to get, of course. Right, okay, SIM time. Let's show you how to put the SIM cards in. Right, so I've got the SIM card tray out, and if you can see that, I've put one of the SIM cards in. So let's get the other SIM card and put it in this side. There we go. So as you can see, it's very, very thin, but it's got both SIM cards in, one in each side. Let's flip that over again. Okay, so you put them both so that the gold is facing outwards, and then push it back in. Make sure you push it all the way in, and make sure you hold the cards as you put it in, just in case one falls out. I have had that happen. Right, there we go. So it's got the 2 bars. So there you can see them one on top of the other, and I'll just show you again there. So the 2 are on one on top of the other, and that's half signal. And if you pull down, you can see the 2 different providers. Right, that's it for today. I hope you'd enjoy the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.